Sometimes you have to sacrifice a bit of technique to grow as a dancer. This is something one of my teachers said, and I found it very useful. So come along, I'll explain. Hello dancers, welcome back to the Loft Ballerina channel. If you're new here, I make content for adult ballet dancers to share my journey as well as to inspire yours. So if this is something you want more of, please make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. Let's talk about technique versus growth. Hello dancers, so last week during Saturday morning class, we were doing grand battements from the corner in the center. So after we went once from the right, the teacher stopped us and invited us to think about something. Sometimes you have to sacrifice a little bit of your technique if you want to grow and progress. Sacrifice technique? That's what you're thinking, right? That's what ballet dancers usually think. So before our heads exploded, she promptly explained, think about it like this. When you are going across the floor, you're focused on showing your technique and looking your best. That means alignment is there, turnout is there, the épaulement, and all of that. But unless you are a professional that has achieved the ultimate level of perfection, which any professional will tell you doesn't exist, you can always be better. If you want to look good, your leg might not go super high. Or you might do a single pirouette instead of a double because you want to make sure you land it perfectly. And this is great to, sometimes sacrifice a little bit of height or a little bit of the tricks to look your best. If you want to get your battements higher and do doubles or triples, you're going to have to go through the growing pains. You are going to have to take some risks. The first time you try to do a double, it's not going to be pretty. The first time you try to get your legs super high for a combination in the center, you might lose some alignment and turnout and even balance, and it's likely going to look crazy. But that is okay, because that's how you get better, that's how you get to the next level. You keep trying, keep building strength and muscle memory, and eventually it will look good. So that really resonated with me and helped me to push myself. And I figured a lot of dancers probably have the same experience. Now, there is a time to focus on pure technique and a time to push beyond what you can do, even if that pushing is not pretty at the moment. That is the magic of ballet. The more you practice, the better you get. You just need to be okay with the fact that the process is going to be awkward sometimes, and it's also going to be challenging. I think this is especially important for the adult dancer. Kids usually do this more spontaneously, but adults tend to be more self-conscious, and especially if they are in a class with more advanced students, they want to look their best and they want to show the skills that they have learned. So they might hold themselves back a little bit. So I invite you, like my teacher invited me, to be less self-conscious and to take the risk and push yourself. Next time you are in the center doing pirouettes, try for a double. Be okay knowing that you might not get it right. Keep trying. Also, take a chance with your artistry. Add a bit of drama. Use your épaulement a bit more. In short, imagine you are dancing for an audience and that you want to totally enchant them. This for me is more easily achievable by just connecting with the music and being myself, being enchanted by the music and trying to project that with my movement. I have been training more consistently than ever during this last year, and I can see the results in my dancing. I no longer think through the combination and the steps, but instead I dance them to the music I hear. But when I am in a more challenging class and learning new moves or more advanced versions of moves, I do fall back into the overthinking. So try to avoid that. I try and enjoy the process and push yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Let me know what you think. What is holding you back? What do you need to push yourself on? How are you dealing with your own progress? I would love to know, so please comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.